Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here, and today I am going to make an angry message to North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. You need to listen here right now. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. And you better stop calling me a kiko too. And I think this video has me. Let's watch this video. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. That is not nice at all. You don't ever call good users a kiko. That is so rude. That is not nice at all. Let's watch this video. Here's me. North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. Why did you call me a kiko? You better stop calling all good users a kiko. That is not nice. See, I saw you calling me a canine kiko. You better not call me that name. Look at what he did. He called me canine kiko. North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. And you better stop calling me a kiko too. I'm tired of it. You need to stop doing this right now. Did you see this, guys? North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC called me a canine kiko. That is so rude. That is so rude. North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. Is the video over? It's almost over. North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. I am so angry at you. I am so angry at you right now. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. I am so mad at you right now. See, this video deserves to have 6 dislikes. You deserve to have 6 dislikes. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. And you better stop calling me a kiko too. I am so angry at you right now. That is not nice. North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. You need to stop doing this right now. You need to stop calling all good users a kiko. I'm so angry at you right now. Well, North Korean will boom you all UTTP THDTC. I hope you get terminated soon. Because you just called all good users a kiko. I'm so angry at you right now. See, you deserve to have 6 dislikes for calling all good users a kiko. You deserve to have 6 dislikes. Hey guys, get this user terminated. I'm so angry at him right now. This UTTP user better stop calling all good users a kiko. I'm so angry at you right now. You need to stop doing this right now. Well, that's my angry message to North Koreanwill boom you all UTTP THDTC. Yep, this is my angry message to North Koreanwill boom you all UTTP THDTC. Yeah, this user better stop calling all good users a kiko. I'm so angry at him. So goodbye, guys, and have a great day. And also have a good weekend, too. Have a good weekend, guys.